Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your balance on the TikTok. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the TikTok app. So I'm going to click on the TikTok app. And now simply we have to go to the profile section. So I'm going to click on the profile section here. And after clicking on the profile section, now simply what we have to do, we have to click on these options. And now we have to click on the last option, which is called settings and privacy. So let's click on the settings and privacy. Now we have to go to the option, this balance option, which is the fourth option. So let's click on the balance. And after clicking on the balance, as you can see, now you will be able to see your balance here. Like you can see your coin, you can see your live rewards. If you want to get coins, you can also do that. You have to click on the get coins. As you can see now, coin balance is 0. The coin prices and the quantity is also provided here. For example, if you want 16,500 coins, then you have to pay in PKR 69,900. And as you can see, in this way you can check out the balance of your coins and amount on the TikTok. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.